Hire furnace service in preparation for winter. Furnace service is necessary if you want to have a warm and comfortable winter season. The best time to have furnace service is during early fall. Do not make the mistake of having to call a furnace service company in the middle or even at the start of the winter months. Why? Read on and find out. If airline companies have a season known as peak season, a time when most of their customers come flocking for their service, the furnace service company have the same as well. Fall is the perfect time to have your furnace cleaned and maintained since this is the off-peak season for service companies. The air conditioning season is now over and the heating season has not started yet. There is little work for the staff, that is why once you call them, you can get the service almost immediately. Just imagine if you remember to call during the winter season, you will be waiting in line with a dirty furnace to keep you warm. You will also get more value for your money if you decide to hire furnace service during early fall. Since the demand for this service is still low, you can avail of discounts. Plus, the staff of the service company is in no rush to go to another home since there might not be another service order for the day. This way, he can take time and diligently clean your furnace. For houses with newer furnaces, meaning furnaces that are 10 years old or less, maintenance is easy. You might not even need furnace service that regularly. You just have to make sure that you change the filter of your furnace every now and then. If your furnace is one of those high-tech products you can now buy, most probably your furnace can take care of itself. Newer furnaces need furnace service every other year. If you have an old furnace, you need to have it serviced at least every year. The filters of some furnaces need to be changed on a monthly basis. If you do not use your furnace during spring, summer and fall, you just have to replace it quarterly. There are some cases when you need to have furnace service even though it is not yet time according to your regular schedule. If you are moving to a new house and if there has been a fire near your area, you will need to check up on your furnace for safety measures. The author, Jerry Brockman, is a co-owner of Controlled Air located at 21210 Eaton Avenue in Farmington, Minnesota. Serving the South Metro area for over 30 years, Jerry continues to be highly involved in service and installations for Controlled Air on a daily basis. Article source: https://ezinearticles.com/expert/Jerry_Brockman/764035